Ancient Rome had no coffee, no caffeine, and no comfort, and somehow they produced men who built empires, wrote philosophy, and conquered half the world and still had energy left over at the end of the day. And you have every advantage they didn't have, and you're exhausted. And there was one man who figured out exactly why. After advising an emperor and working harder than everyone around him, he would write hundreds of letters on philosophy till the next day. And most people will never know what he knew, so I'm going to break down who he was, his exact method, and how you can use it right now to stop feeling tired all the time. It was 4 BC when a boy was born. His name was Seneca. And like every ambitious young man in Rome, he chased everything: status, wealth, power, and by 40 he had all of it. Advisor to the emperor himself, one of the most powerful men in the empire, and he was completely exhausted. He wrote about it in private letters we still have today. He said he would end each day drained, but couldn't point to a single thing he'd actually done for himself. And so he started tracking something nobody else was paying attention to. Every day for 2 weeks, he wrote exactly down where his energy went, hour by hour. And what he found, he documented in a collection of private letters we still have today. Seneca's letters, over 100 of them, and buried inside is the exact method that changed everything, which we'll get into now. Seneca said that there is one thing that drains a man faster than hard work, doing hard work that means nothing to him. He noticed that after a full day of advising the emperor, he was completely empty, but after 1 hour of writing his own letters, he felt more alive than he had all day. It was the same brain, the same body, completely different energy. He said the mind does not get tired from effort, it gets tired from meaninglessness. Every hour you spend on work that isn't yours costs double what it should, because your brain is spending half its energy just convincing itself to keep going. The fix wasn't working less, it was making sure that at least every part of the day was spent on something his brain actually wanted to move forward. So he built one rule: before the emperor, before the meetings, before anything needed anything from him, 1 hour that was purely his, writing, thinking, building something that belonged to him. And here's how you can actually use it in your everyday life, just like I did, because I used to come home every single day from my 9 to 5 warehouse job after finishing high school, and all I wanted was to start a business and escape this 9 to 5 life. But I would come home completely exhausted. Sometimes I would just sleep, sometimes I would just eat junk food, and sometimes I would literally play video games. But when I finally broke it down the way Seneca did, I hadn't been lazy at all. I'd started a business at the time which meant nothing to me. So when I started up a YouTube channel and found that this was something I could do without even thinking twice, and it was so much more fun than video games, I would do it every single day after finishing work. Because you're not tired because you're weak, you're tired because your brain hasn't been given a single reason to feel alive today. And so drop down in the comments something you don't enjoy and what you're going to replace it with that you do enjoy, so you can improve your life. And that's my message for you. So thank you for watching. If you did enjoy, please subscribe so more people can find us. Thank you.